I think it would be fair to say that few of us could actually throw an individual over our shoulder who is bigger than us and half our age. I received a video from a patient of mine in my inbox last night, and I was amazed to watch this. This is an individual who underwent minimally invasive endoscopic aortic valve replacement for what is a life-threatening condition called aortic stenosis, literally only 2 months ago. And when you watch this video, I think you too will be amazed at what this gentleman has achieved. He wants everyone to see this because he wants you all to understand that there really is life after heart surgery.
When I was told 9 weeks ago I had to have a valve replacement, I didn't think I'd be able to do judo again. I would just like to thank Mr. Birdie and the team for the amazing job they've done. Thank you.
What an inspirational man, and what a wonderful video. Thank you very much. If anybody wants to learn more about aortic stenosis and its treatments, particularly minimally invasive, there'll be a video at the end of this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Please make comments at the bottom of this video. It helps us to help you.